Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to melt chocolate for delicious chocolate-covered strawberries. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. Select about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries, gently washing and thoroughly drying them. Remember, any water can cause your chocolate to seize, so ensure all your bowls and utensils are completely dry. Also, prepare a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This will be ready for your dip treats. Now let's melt our chocolate. You have 2 excellent options. The first is using a double boiler. Place a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, ensuring the bowl does not touch the water. Stir gently until smooth. Alternatively, microwave your chocolate in 30-second bursts, stirring thoroughly after each interval until it is perfectly melted and silky. For the best outcome, use about 12 ounces of good quality chocolate. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part, dipping. Hold each strawberry by its stem or hull. Carefully dip it into the warm, melted chocolate, rotating to coat about 2/3 of the berry's surface. Lift the strawberry, allowing any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. This ensures a clean, even coating and prevents puddles on your parchment paper. Work efficiently for the best finish. Once dipped, gently place your chocolate-covered strawberries onto the prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. You can let them set at room temperature, which usually takes about 30 minutes, or for a quicker set, place them in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. For an extra special touch, consider drizzling them with a contrasting chocolate or adding some colorful sprinkles before the chocolate fully hardens. Enjoy your beautiful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.